Survival gear is more than just equipment. It's your lifeline when venturing into the wild or preparing for emergencies. Whether you're tackling harsh outdoor conditions or planning for unforeseen events, having the right tools can make all the difference. With countless options available, it can be tricky to choose the essentials. That's why we've curated the 10 must-have survival gear and gadgets on Amazon for 2025. From cutting-edge gadgets to versatile tools, these picks are designed to keep you safe, prepared, and ready for anything. Let's dive into the ultimate gear lineup for survival enthusiasts. Step into the wild with the Tops Knives Modern Gladius, a rugged blade that blends the spirit of ancient warriors with the demands of modern adventurers. Designed by the experts at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, this versatile knife is built to conquer the great outdoors. Forged from 3/16 1095 steel with a black traction coating, its double-edged Tonta-style blade is perfect for piercing, slicing, and tackling tough wilderness tasks. Fullers on each side enhance balance, while the tan canvas micarta handle provides a secure grip, even in rugged conditions. At 11.38 inches overall, this compact Gladius is ready for action wherever your adventures lead. Complete with a durable black kydex sheath and a leather dangler, it's made for easy carry through trails or campsites. Whether braving the backcountry or honing survival skills, the modern Gladius ensures every cut counts. Step into any mission or adventure with the Garmin tactix 7, a military-inspired smartwatch engineered to thrive in extreme conditions. Its rugged 1.4-inch always-on solar-powered display, protected by a sapphire lens and black DLC-coated bezel, ensures unmatched durability. The touchscreen and button controls provide seamless access to tactical tools like Jumpmaster mode, stealth mode, and a kill switch to safeguard sensitive data. Explore uncharted territories with preloaded topographic maps, ski maps, and multi-GNSS support for precise navigation. Whether you're projecting waypoints or training with endurance metrics, the tactix 7 offers over 30 sports apps to meet your demands. For precision shooting, its applied ballistics calculator becomes a game-changing ally in tactical operations. With up to 37 days of solar-charged battery life, advanced health monitoring, and elite tactical navigation, the Garmin tactix 7 is the ultimate smartwatch for adventurers and professionals alike. Gear up for unmatched performance wherever your journey takes you. The Gerber GDC Money Clip Pocket Knife is a sleek multi-tool that pairs modern design with practical functionality. Crafted from titanium-coated steel, its slim profile houses a 1.75-inch stainless steel blade, offering utility without compromising style. The G10 front plate adds a durable, textured grip, while the built-in finger slot and serrated thumb rest ensure secure handling during use. Not just a knife, this innovative tool doubles as a money clip with space for up to 5 cards. Its compact dimensions 3.6 inches in length and weighing only 2.9 ounces make it a seamless addition to your camping, hiking, or everyday carry essentials. The blade stays protected in the clip sheath, ensuring safety and readiness wherever you go. Backed by Gerber's lifetime warranty, the GDC Money Clip is an indispensable piece of gear for adventurers and urban explorers alike, blending utility with effortless portability. Engineered for rugged adventures, the FireFast Trekker is a reliable, waterproof fire starter designed to thrive in the harshest outdoor conditions. Whether you're tackling bushcraft, camping, or survival scenarios, its military-grade design ensures you're always prepared. The Austrian-made ferro rod delivers thousands of blazing sparks, while the 96% pure magnesium rod produces intense heat for quick ignition. Even in extreme weather, the hardened steel striker pairs perfectly with the rod, and the hardwood handle provides a secure grip in freezing or wet conditions. Scrape the handle for emergency tinder, adding versatility to your kit. Completing the package, the included 550 lb paracord, crafted by a certified U.S. contractor, offers strength and utility when you need it most. At just for 0.5 ounces and 6.5 inches, the FireFast Trekker packs durability and efficiency into a compact, go-anywhere tool. When it's time to light up your adventure, trust the Trekker to get the job done. Tackle any mission with the 5.11 or US H7 to 2.0 backpack, a 55-liter workhorse designed for extended expeditions, tactical operations, or emergency prep. Constructed from tough 1050D nylon, this pack handles the toughest conditions while keeping your gear secure and accessible. Loaded with features, it includes a hidden CCW pocket, a padded laptop sleeve for 15 inches devices, and dual top pockets for rapid access to essentials. Its mall webbing and 5.11 center line design offer endless customization, letting you adapt to any situation. With a fleece-lined eyewear pocket and a rear hydration compartment, comfort and convenience come standard. From multi-day treks to tactical deployments, their US H7 to 2.0 blends durability with versatility, ensuring your gear stays organized and ready for action. Whether you're braving the wild or prepping for the unexpected, this backpack is the ultimate companion for those who demand reliability.